So this Land Rover was in with the Adblue issue. So what had happened was the owners had refilled the Adblue, and since then the dashboard was bringing up a code, diesel emission fluid quality. So came here and the tank was filled fully with Adblue. The codes were reset and the purging procedure was done, at which point a code came up on the dash regarding the dosing. So it was diesel emission fluid dosing malfunction. Now, there's a common issue with the NOx sensor. A common cause of issue is the wire chafing on the NOx sensor, which, as you can see, has actually started. But this one's intact. But actually, there is no fix required to get rid of the dosing malfunction. The car just needs to be driven for over 30 miles, possibly 40 miles, and the code that I've shown you will extinguish. But obviously this may be an issue if your countdown is lower. So the countdown on this was around 470. I don't know what would happen if your countdown was below 40 miles and it didn't go out before it got to 0. At which point I don't know what you would do. I would obviously have to go to Land Rover, which is where it gets expensive. But hopefully you've got plenty of miles left for this particular problem. I'll add the codes that were present in the ECU in the description. But hopefully this is a fix for you, is just to take the car for a drive for 40 miles and it should solve the issue, at least the one we've had.